You know, as I'm out here grilling, one thing occurred to me. As I'm grilling here on the 4th of July, it really hit me that not everybody knows how to grill. Or people may grill, but they don't grill well. And how what a lot of us are doing today is a craft. It's a skill. It's something that people might not value until it's the 4th of July, it's Memorial Day, it's a holiday, and you want some grilled food, and that person who grilled is not available. You know what I mean? Or that person who grilled, that uncle, that auntie, that grandmama, granddaddy, who knows how to grill isn't with you. They gone. And now you left with having to go out and find food and buy food and do this, that, and the other. So my whole point of saying that is appreciate the skill that you have. Appreciate the craft, right? Others out there may not appreciate it until it's gone, until they don't have access to it anymore. So that's my point. Appreciate the skill. If you're just getting into the craft, there's value in knowing how to do what we're doing today. So put in the time and work to understand. And number 3, whenever you learn how to do something, man, whenever you further along in a journey than someone else, you have the responsibility to reach back and teach one, right? Each one teach one, reach back and help somebody else out. Because it wasn't none but a few years ago, some months ago, you were in that same position, right? So just a little thought on the craft of grilling, and a little thought and reflection on the responsibility that all of us have. Those of us who come out here, man, consistently and light it up, fire it up. So yeah, y'all think about that. Hold on, and we'll be right back. Thank you so much for watching Daddy DIY Grilling. Until next time, grill boldly, serve proudly, and enjoy the process. I want to give a big shout out to our channel members. It's because of your generous support that we're able to keep creating and sharing these grilling resources. You're a huge part of this community, and we couldn't do it without you.